right.
Okay, we're going to try to make some cheese danishes.
Ooh.
So we've got some crescent dough. Get it opened up here.
Nice. So we got a little dough sheet going on.
Yep, we've got a dough sheet. Just unroll it all. I put a little flour down so it did not stick.
Smart.
Sometimes when you buy these, it's a little bit harder.
Oh yeah, it's a little ripped, huh?
Yes, but that's okay. We can fix that. Okay. Now that we've got it all here, we're gonna mix up our mixture for it, which is 4 ounces of cream cheese. Throw it in the bowl with 1/4 cup confectionate sugar. Throw that in there. 1 egg yolk.
Just the yolk.
Just the yolk. And 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. We'll mix that with the mixer. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon. Okay, you'll take that and mix this
that
up.
all up. All right.
Now you've got your mixture all beat up, and you're gonna take your spatula and put it on your crescent dough. You don't go all the way to the ends.
The insides of it.
You had a breakfast dish you needed real quick. This was something that you can get mixed up real quick and have for company if they're there. Okay. So now, I'm going to take my finger. I don't have a knife right here.
You washed them, right?
Yes, I did. I wash my hands plenty.
I believe you.
Okay. Now, I'm going to turn this way.
Okay.
And I'm going to roll this up.
Here's a nice roll. Ooh. Look at that.
Okay. Kind of
Nice
got us a
plump
jelly
roll.
roll. Okay, then you're going to have to get you like a bread knife that's got the jagged edges. And we're going to cut it. I'm going to cut it first right here in the middle.
Oh yeah. Take a look at that.
And then you're going to bake them for 11 minutes.
So you want to do what? Like an inch slice, a 1/4 inch?
Yes. About 1/2 inch, something. You're just going to take them and put them on here. This dough might have needed to be a little bit more chilled. It's in the refrigerator, but...
I know it's pretty doughy.
Yeah, it is. But when you cut it, you can kind of make it go back around.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's our little cheese
Danish
pastries. Okay, we're going to bake them at 350 for about 12 minutes.
All right. It's not going to take too long.
No.
All right, let's take a look.
So they look a lot better now
Wow.
than they did when we
those look
first
like
put
some
them in there.
Danishes, for sure.
Homemade cream cheese danishes.
Man.
Okay, let them cool
That
a
was
minute.
easy too.
How they smell?
You're just gonna blow
Snip.
them off? Okay. Are you smelling them or?
Try one. It's going to be hot.
Oh, you're gonna get the little baby one?
Is that cream cheese?
Mm-hmm. Cream cheese danishes.
Yeah, buddy. Whee!
Oh, really good.
Looks good the way you tasted it.